my channel. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be all about my new, updated, and affordable skincare routine. I have been falling off when it comes to skincare, you guys, and I can tell in my skincare, like my skin does not look good. I really have not been taking care of my skin the way I want to and the way I used to. So some of the products that I used to use, you guys, they don't work for me the same. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or the Texas heat. I'm just not sure what's going on. So I am going to be using some products today for the first time. Some affordable products that I went to Sephora and got some affordable products because I don't want to show y'all nothing that's too expensive, y'all. Like, I just don't want to do it. It just don't feel right on my soul. All right. So before we hop into today's video, we got to give a huge shout out to our sponsor. Today's sponsor is Dossier Perfumes. If you guys don't know what Dossier Perfume is, you guys, let me put y'all on. First of all, I love Dossier. You guys already know it. If you know me in person, you know it. I have a perfume in my car, at work, in every purse. I love Dossier. So what Dossier does, you guys, Dossier provides dupe to luxury scents. So Baccarat, Tom Ford, Chanel, Gucci, all these high name brands. If you can't afford it, sis, Dossier got you because it's only $29. So they're 100% vegan free, 100% cruelty free. Absolutely love Dossier. And if you do purchase a perfume using my code down below and you don't like it, you guys, you can send it back. They don't ask you no questions. They'll give you a full refund. So that's one of the reasons why I love Dossier. And they also have amazing customer service. So today they sent me 2 scents. They sent me the Citrus Ginger, which is inspired by the Chanel Blue, what? It's inspired by the Chanel Bleu de Chanel Eau du Parfum. You guys, and every perfume you order comes with a note card, just so you can know the top notes and the concentration and all that. So they sent me this beautiful Citrus Ginger, and then all their perfumes come with a magnetic top. I don't know if I ever told you guys this, but yeah, so I cannot wait to add this to my perfume collection, which is right here. Y'all see it, period. So then they also sent me another scent. They sent me Amberry Mint. What is this a dupe for? Oh, this is a dupe for the Versace Eros. And I love the Versace Eros, you guys. I actually bought, when I was in my last relationship, I actually bought my boyfriend this scent because this Versace Eros smells so good. It smells so like, to me, I think it's replacing Dior Sauvage. Like, I absolutely love, I just love it. So they sent me the Amberry Mint. And as you guys know, it comes with a magnetic top. And I'm also gonna be adding this to my collection as well. So thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me today so before we even hop into the skincare, let me tell y'all. So y'all know back in the day, I got clothes, y'all, I'm still organizing. Y'all know back in the day, I used to love Clinique, right? And I still do love Clinique, but Clinique is not really doing for me what it used to do. So I started using Clearasil. Clearasil, it was working about 75%, but it wasn't giving me that glow that Clinique was giving me that glow. Like, I used to go to work and my boss used to be like, wow, like, you're literally glowing. So I just got bored and I was like, you know what? I need to find some affordable skincare for me. I want to retry. So throughout this year, the remainder of this year, and throughout 2022, I'm going to be trying out different skincares within probably like a 3 to 4 month interval. And I don't know, I just want to show you guys. So in case you guys are struggling with skincare too, we can kind of like get over this together in a sense. So here is a skincare update. This is cheating because I have a filter on, but you guys, when I pop my pimples, they leave a mark. As y'all can see right here, they leave a mark. So I have like these little marks all over my face. And I hate it. And my forehead usually does do pretty well. Like, I don't really get pimples up here. Well, I got a little mark right here. I think I burnt myself. But I don't really get pimples up here like that bad. But the rest of my face, I be connecting the dots, sis. Like, literally. So I went to Sephora. Now, the only reason I went to Sephora is because I love Jackie Aina and she always talking about Sephora. So I was like, let me go to Sephora and get the most affordable skincare that I can find. Because a lot of skincare at Sephora is mad expensive. Like, who do they think is spending $60 on a small ass Glam Glow mask? I'm not doing that. So I went and I got the cheapest thing I could find, and this was $10, you guys. This is the Sephora and clarifying kit. The retail says $20, but it was on sale at my Sephora and JCPenney's for $10. I need get some water. So I got 3 things, you guys. I literally just woke up. Like, I need to get my skin ready and popping. So I got this super hydrant. Okay, that's not in English. Okay, I got this super matte moisturizer. I got this clean skin gel. It cleanses and tones for your face, eyes, and neck. And then I also got this bright skin exfoliating scrub. So I got this because I told y'all I used to glow. Like, I want that glow back. So I got this. This was about $10. And then I also got this Sephora. Whoa, I can't talk today. I also got this Sephora overnight glow mask, and I actually did use this before in Germany. I bought this in Germany. It was on, they had a sale, so I just bought it. Me and my homegirl just bought it, and I actually do like it. So this is actually an overnight glow mask, but today I'm gonna be using it as a whatever. Like, I'm not. I did used to use it at night, but I gave up with that night shit. So now I'm gonna be using it in the daytime, just for this video. And then after this video, I'll start using it at night. So we got our kit. All right, y'all. So, oh, y'all can see the back of my head. So I'm gonna start off with, well, let's really talk about what I use right now. So right now, I'm using the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. This is pretty cool. There's a product by Neutrogena. There's another product that I really, really like. I don't remember what it's called, but it's like this toner thing. I'll insert a picture on the screen for you guys to see. So I really, really like this, but this is not really giving me what needs to be gave. So, and then you guys know I also used to use Clearasil, but I said fuck that shit and I gave up on it. I don't know if I'm gonna look here and talk, or if I'm gonna look here and talk. So y'all, hopefully y'all not getting the confusion. So we are gonna start off with the Sephora Amino Acid Clean Skin Gel. Yeah, let's see what it says it does though. Girl. So it says it's clinically proven for all skin types, including sensitive ones. Okay, that's it. Okay, it has aloe vera, and it says aloe vera is known to soothe the skin. The directions say to wet your skin, massage all over the face, eyes, and neck, and rinse. So let's do that. Okay, so after using this, y'all, my face feels, how do I say, sticky? Hold on. God damn, bitch. All right, you guys, so after using the Sephora Clean Skin Gel, I want to let y'all know my face feels very sticky. I don't know, I washed it off right, but my face feels very sticky. Feels like real clammy. think it has to dry. I'm not sure. But my face feels very sticky, kind of like a glue. All right, we're gonna move that. We're gonna move into what's next. Bright Skin Exfoliating Scrub. How do we use this? It says use twice weekly. Massage over damp skin, avoiding the eye area, and rinse well. And it said that's really it. All right, let's do that. Y'all, so I definitely like the scrub better than I do the wash. I like the feeling of the scrub better, and it did not leave my face clammy or sticky at all. The last one that we're gonna do is the Super Matte Moisturizer. Just a moisturizer. I'm just gonna put that on. Oh, another moisturizer I do like to use, I'm gonna put y'all on, is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream Facial Moisturizer. My homegirl put me onto this. Rest in peace to her. She put me onto this and I fell in love ever since she did. So I like this one. But for today, we're not going to go in with the Pond's because I just want to see how the Sephora collection makes me feel. So yeah. Guys, so that is it for today's updated skincare routine. I'm not going to be doing any makeup. I just want to see how this works for a while. I haven't worn makeup in a couple of weeks, and I'm probably not going to wear makeup in a couple of weeks because I just want my skin to get back to its normal, whatever it is that it does. So I will be giving you guys little updates throughout my vlogs until I give my final 3 to 4 month update on this Sephora collection. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys use for your skincare. I really need to get my routine back on the track, and I am thinking about investing in what are those little machine things called? Not Claricel. I don't know what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. Y'all let me know because I need some help, child. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next